Luna and the Secret Forest. Luna was a curious little girl who lived in a small village surrounded by a vast, mysterious forest. The grown ups in the village often warned the children not to go too far into the woods. It's full of secrets, they said, and secrets can be dangerous. But Luna loved secrets. She loved exploring new places and discovering things no one else knew about. Every day after school, she would wander the edge of the forest, wondering what lay beyond the trees. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a butterfly, Luna found something unusual near the forest edge. A shimmering blue feather, it sparkled like the stars. Where did this come from? Luna wondered aloud. Just then, a soft chirping sound catch her attention. She looked up and saw a small bird with shimmering blue wings. It looked frightened. The bird chirped again and flew deeper into the forest, but not before dropping another glowing feather. Luna picked up the feather. Don't worry, little bird. I'll help you, she said, and without a second thought, she followed the bird into the forest. As Luna stepped deeper into the woods, she noticed that the trees seemed taller and the air felt different. The sunlight that filtered through the leaves sparkled like gold. She followed the trail of glowing feathers, which led her to a clearing. In the middle of the clearing stood a giant, ancient tree with roots so wide they looked like stairs. Perched on one of the branches was the shimmering bird. Why are you scared? Luna asked. The bird chirped and flapped his wings, pointing towards the tree's root. Luna stepped closer and saw that something was stuck, a glowing crystal orb trapped beneath the roots. Is this what you need? Luna asked. The bird nodded. Luna tugged at the orb, but it wouldn't budge. Just then, a deep rumbling voice echoed around her. Who dares to touch my treasure? Startled, Luna looked up to see a fox with fur as white as snow and eyes that sparkled like diamonds. It stepped gracefully from behind the tree. I didn't mean to steal anything, Luna said quickly. The bird needs this orb. The fox tilted its head. This is no ordinary orb. It holds the magic of the secret forest. Why should I give it to you? Luna thought for a moment. If the bird is afraid, it must mean the forest isn't in balance. I just want to help. The fox stared at her for a long moment before finally smiling. You are brave and kind, little one. I will let you try. With a wave of its fluffy tail, the fox loosened the root. Luna carefully picked up the orb and held it up to the bird. The bird chirped joyfully and touched the orb with its beak. Suddenly, the forest came alive. The trees glowed, flowers bloomed in the brilliant colors, and the air was filled with the sound of birds singing and streams bubbling. Luna felt a warmth spread through her as thought the forest was thanking her. The fox stepped forward. You have proven yourself worthy, Luna. The secret forest has chosen you to be its guardian. Me? Luna asked, wide eyed. The fox nodded. The glowing feathers and the bird led you here for a reason. You have the courage and kindness to protect this place. The bird chirped and flew to Luna's shoulder. From that day on, Luna visited to the forest every evening after school. She made sure the forest stayed safe and full of magic. But she also kept its secrets safe, sharing the story only with those who were kind and brave like her. And on clear nights, if you looked carefully, you could see Luna and the shimmering bird exploring the glowing forest under the stars. Thank you for watching my video.